Welcome to my channel. Various studies. Life study. The practicing of drawing the presentations of human figures by seeing them in front is known as life study. In the field of art, life study is important. In this branch, every figure of human body, its posture and rhythm is practiced. The drawing of human figure on scientific basis is the main feature of life study. This practice of human figure is also called anatomy. By drawing of human figure in this way, we get a clear conception of human muscles and anatomy. Human anatomy is studied by placing a real skeleton in front of the student. Antique study. When an apprentice draws pictures by observing statues and sculptures are called antique study, and thus an apprentice can become an expert by exercising applied study of art and culture. At present, there are such sorts of arrangements in many institutions. This type of painting is divided into two parts. Firstly, one practice drawing by observing the small statue made of plaster and mud. There should not be any negligence in earning primary knowledge of art and painting. They have to get interested to pay attention in painting statues. It should always be kept in mind that their life study can be graceful and easy if they become expert in drawing human statue. Still life. Drawing is a very vast subject and still life is a very essential part to be covered by an artist. Drawing of landscape, portraits, geometrical shapes, glasswork, metal or figure will often stand by itself as a work of art. A still life can cover anything. The best feature of a still life is that the artist has control of the composition, arranging the light, defining the object and the angles, and grouping at all the subject in the most arrangeable manner. For still life arrangement, composition, light and shade, color scheme, etc. will be understood in a better way.
Thanks for watching this video.